Tell me what you do on a Sunday. I'm tired of all these Friday nights. And if we
She's not wrong. I'm sure it's gonna be nasty. It is. The bow, guys. OMG.
What do I know if the flash is on?
Oh my god, look at this.
Oh my god, why did you tell me? It's really
It
put it in my
looks
mouth.
so good. Oh
You already put
my
in your mouth,
god.
take a bite and bring you for it.
Woo! Not very smooth. Cute. I mean, look at this setup. So cute. The little legs. I'm happy. I got myself a Rimmel Stay Matte powder because I needed a new one. And this is the best. Yay! Oh my god, this is so good. And the brioche thing too. Really good. What is good?
Kalau Syira angkat kaki macam tunjuk outfit lepas tu angkat kaki sebab tunjuk kaki tu. Bodoh. Beri tak nak video pakai suara.
So I just got ready. Me and my family are going for brunch and I just got dressed. I'm wearing this green top that I thrifted a while back, and then I'm pairing it with my H&M pants. For jewelry, I'm just wearing this black beaded choker from Shopee, and this one is from Second Street Bundle, so I also thrifted this necklace. And then my gold hoops from Monkey. And for my bag, I'm using this green baby because I think it goes really well I'm ready. Wow, the sky is so pretty today. Such a good day. It's so sunny. Just waiting for the rest to get in the car. I look so green today. Like everything is so green. It's okay. You guys see me? Hold on. I need a better setup for when I'm in the car. I'm sorry, the air conditioning's just pretty strong. Yeah, I'm really excited. It's been a while since we've had a family meal together. We always do it last time. So it's really good to be able to do that again with everybody fully vaccinated. And yeah, but still we have to take precaution and, you know, be smart every time we go out. Hand sanitizer and social distance and facial mask, everything. Don't ignore that, guys. I am still waiting for them to get in the car.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that
맛있겠다. 와우. 와, 맛있겠다. Is it? Clear.
was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. It's something you get used to, yeah. Go back to June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to. Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, never speaking.
Can you see it? It is so pretty. Hold on, I'm really trying to get it to focus here. So this is the necklace on. I love it. And the quality is actually like pretty good. So I'm very impressed. I will leave the link down below if you guys are interested to get one. It's so cute.
Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around